I'm probably not telling you something new by saying you have only one life to live. I probably will not blow your mind by telling you that our time on this planet Earth is limited. We hear this so often that it comes across as cliché. Use your time, appreciate what you have, but it's so true in the end. When was the last time you chased after something you really loved? You spent time with the people you really care about and don't waste it for something that does not fulfill you, for something someone else is projecting on you. It's not mandatory to waste your time for things you do not love. Invest your time in yourself and the world.